Hey everyone, make sure you subscribe. Let's get to the video.
No other, we blowing up like a bubble and we took over. No other, who I'm gon' call when it's time to ride. Who gon' pull up when it's time to slide. Yeah, me and my brother, we stick together. No other, we blowing up like a bubble and we took over. No other, say this, I'm living. How you live? The pain in my eyes, the hurt in the
and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make some slime. So in the next video, I'm gonna be showing you. So hey everyone. So first, these are the ingredients first, so I can show y'all the ingredients. So first, what y'all need. So first, what you need is a little bowl, like or whatever bowl you got, and then I want you guys to get some Elmer's glue, some toothpaste, and a mixing tool, some Mobile Magic clay, and some lotion, and also, of course, some Tide. So then, what you guys want to do is that's the slime that I made that I just showed y'all. But so, try to use first. What y'all want to do is I'm sorry, y'all, this is too close to the camera. Put some of this glue inside, which is, I don't want to put too much because I don't want to use it all, because I might do it for some more things for the next video. I just want to put a little bit because I'm not going to use it all. I don't want to use it all. Then get your mixing tool and start mixing. Also, y'all, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and like and subscribe. So y'all, I'm gonna start mixing, and then start mixing with it. And what I want to do is, I want to show y'all it right now. This is what it looks like right now, because it's glue. It's still glue. Just saying, because I haven't put anything else in it but glue. And put some lotion, any type of lotion you guys want to use, and then we're gonna start mixing. I just mix every time whenever like I'm done putting something in it, because like it makes a good texture. And then what you want to do is get your Crest toothpaste, and then put some of the toothpaste in here, and then so you guys want to start mixing too. It's gonna make a blue color since it's like that color. And then so look here, it looks like right now. And then, oh my god, here, and this is what it looks like right now. And then start mixing. This is how do you make some soft slime. Like really cute and like soft blue slime. It might fall out the bowl if I try to add. I'm gonna try to show y'all, but I'm gonna show y'all like this and keep showing y'all like that. It's a little bowl, just telling you guys again, just remind you. Oh, sorry. Come on, so. And then here you guys go. And then what you guys want to add next is your Tide or Game, whatever. Activator. And then start mixing. It's gonna look like a little bit of guts, like. It sounds weird. Keep mixing. It's gonna be like that a little bit because it's like that. It always be like that. But you gotta keep mixing. Keep adding some more. I'm just looking at it so it can look right, and I want to show y'all. So y'all need to look. Here you guys go. This is what it looks like right now. So. Wait a second, how much minutes is this? 4 minutes. Okay, so. Then, I'm going to put some more in because I don't want it to be sticky. I don't like my slime sticky. It's really weird now. This is what it looks like. So you guys, here it is, but also what I want to show you again is I'm gonna just put it on the table. Yeah, I mean on here. So yeah, here. But this is what the slime looks like right now. But you gotta keep mixing it first. It's really weird the first time when you start playing with it. And then do all that. And then also, sorry, the people in the background are just doing too much. Here, and then here we go. This is the slime, but also I didn't put this in. My mobile magic. Put some mobile magic in clay. Put it out and then put it in. And here you go. But you gotta keep mixing it because it's gonna get softer, prettier, and softer and softer. And then y'all gotta keep mixing so y'all can get the little texture. Oops, sorry, it like spread it out a little bit. And now this is really like good. Like it's really cute and awesome. That's the revenge of the slime.